Hello students, good morning. This is the chapter of class 12th physics, chapter 2nd, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Part 1st, introductory. Electro means related to electric charges. Charges are two types, positive charge, negative charge. Here is the differentiated charges, like charges and unlike charges. Like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. This is the introductory part of the charges. Static, static means stable, stable means sthir. Potential means vibhav. Okay, what happened here is the Q is the charge, and charge Q, the another charge will bring it to the Q. The work done by this, that is called the potential of the charge, potential. Okay, in capacitance, device to store the charges. Okay, here what happened then, when if we talk about the charges, there is need to have the body. The body is charged or uncharged. A charge, that means the body is charged, there is the motion in the charges. So what the body, according to its position and shape and size, possesses the potential energy. Okay, the body possesses the potential energy due to the position or shape and size of its. And another thing, if the body is in motion, okay, so according to its virtue of the motion, the body possesses the kinetic energy. Okay, in this way, if the body is charged, that has the kind of the energy. So this energy is also conservative. The total mechanical energy equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. And this way, if we put the P and Ke, mgh plus half mv square, so that is the Coulomb's force is also conservative. In another word, we can say that the total mechanical energy in the body as the potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay, so that is the mgh plus half mv square. So in this way, this conservative law is also applicable on the Coulomb's law. Means of conservative, that is the neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, only transformation of the energy or the work or the force can be done. Force is also conservative. I have taught you about that matter. The Coulomb's force is conservative. Why? Because between two stationary charges. The Coulomb's force depends upon the law of the proportion and inversely proportion. Here is two charges put at the r distance q1 and q2. Okay, so first the force between the two charges is the product of the charges directly proportional to the force between them, and the force is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. The first equation, F is proportional to q1 into q2 and F is inversely proportional to 1 upon r square. When we both the equation, it will be the force is proportional to q1 upon q2 equal to r square. If we omit the sign of the proportionate, there is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is the constant, and force equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 into q2 upon r square, that is the Coulomb's law. Here is the force between the two charges. It may be if they are the like, so they will be the repel each other, and the next, if they are the opposite charges, they attract each other, but in both conditions there is the force between them.